Ever feel like your Instagram is screaming, "Buy now," when you just want to share photos with friends? Today, we're turning that business back into your personal space. First things first, open up your Instagram app once you're logged in. Tap on your profile picture. Usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen, this takes you to your profile page. On your profile page, locate and tap the Edit Profile button, which is typically found just below your bio. Now scroll down within the Edit Profile menu. You're looking for an option that says Switch to Personal Account. This might be at the very bottom of the screen. Once you find it, tap Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will then ask you to confirm your decision. So tap the confirmation button, usually labeled Switch to Personal Account, once more. And just like that, you've successfully switched back. You'll notice that business-specific features like Promote and Insights will disappear, and your profile will function as a standard personal account again. This is perfect if you're no longer using the account for business promotions, or if you just prefer the simplicity of a personal account for connecting with friends and family. You've reclaimed your digital space.